That was so funny. That was so funny how much soul she put into it. I made the holy water. Amen. I made it. And this is the funniest part was the plie. That was so funny. I loved it. And her,
to come out like that. I
like,
was frustrated.
the whole top part of her body when she was coming in the kitchen from the kitchen was forward.
Seriously, guys, what's wrong with this? How can you say that? I get the. You can make your own holy water. Go ahead. That's my bottle. What'd she do?
She did a plie. It's like a ballet move, I think. That's funny.